Welcome to rural Russia, a world where honestly, time moves slower, traditions run deeper, and, community means everything. Today, we're stepping inside the heart of Russian village life to explore unique customs, daily routines, and the culture that still shapes millions of lives. Russia's villages, known as derevni, are some of the oldest and most culturally rich places in the country. Here, wooden houses called Izbas stand on land passed through generations, and neighbors greet each other like family. The Izba is the soul of village culture. Built from logs, warmed by a giant clay stove called the pech, it's more than a home. It's where families cook, sleep, celebrate, and share stories. In many villages, the pech is still used for baking bread, drying herbs, and even sleeping on top during cold winters. Life here begins early. Before sunrise, villagers feed animals, chop wood, heat water, and prepare food. Many families grow their own vegetables, potatoes, cabbage, carrots, and keep chickens or cows. The pace is slow but demanding, and every season brings new work. Russian village food is, simple, hearty, and always made from scratch. Fresh milk, for example, becomes homemade cheese. Garden vegetables are turned into borscht and solyanka. And honestly, no village meal is ever complete without freshly baked black bread. Village culture is just full of traditional celebrations. From Maslenitsa, which is the festival of pancakes, to harvest holidays and those winter rituals. Folk songs, dances, embroidered costumes. These traditions are mostly preserved by villagers, not cities. One of the strongest features of Russian village life is hospitality. If you visit a village home, just expect tea, homemade jam, fresh pies, and long conversations. People here really help each other, repairing roofs, picking potatoes, or gathering firewood together. Nature, it shapes everything. Summer is for farming and fishing. Autumn is for harvesting. Winter, long, quiet, and snowy, brings families together around the warm pech. Every season has its own rhythm that villagers follow. Of course, life in Russian villages isn't easy. Many young people leave for cities, and winters can be harsh. But those who stay do it because they love the land, the quiet life, and their traditions. Russian villages are more than places. They are living museums of culture, connection, and resilience. If you ever want to understand the true heart of Russia, start here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cultural explorations.